Hello, my friends. Betty McKnit here. Welcome to the 6 Days Superstar Blanket Crochet Along. Woo! I'm so excited to be hosting another Crochet Along with my friends at Knitting Fever and Juniper Moon Farm. In this video, I'll give you all the details you'll need to get started with the Crochet Along. Be sure to stay to the end to find out how you can enter to win some great giveaways from me, Knitting Fever, and Juniper Moon Farm at the end of the Crochet Along. If you're new here, I'm Betty McKnit, and I'm here to inspire you to bring your dream crochet projects to life. Let's get started on the 6-Day Superstar Blanket with Juniper Moon Farm. The 6-Day Superstar Blanket is a variation of the 6-Day Star Blanket. It has 14 points of equal size, and the Star Blanket only has 7. And the blanket has more of a round shape than the 7-pointed 6-Day Star Blanket. It starts in the center and is worked in the round. It can be a little tricky to get started, but once you understand the repeats, it's a really enjoyable pattern to make. I've adapted the 6-Day Superstar specifically for Juniper Moon Farm's Cirrus Rainbow, and you're going to love the silky, drapey cotton and bright colors of the Cirrus Rainbow yarn. The 6-Day Superstar is my favorite of the 6-Day Star variations to work up, and these bright, cheerful colors and graceful, lightweight yarns are so perfect for a happy June project. Here's what you'll need for this project. 6 balls of Juniper Moon Farm Cirrus Rainbow. It's a 100% cotton, 3-weight, 1,968 total yards for the project. The finished size is 55 inches across, which is a small throw. You can easily add additional balls of yarn and rounds to this project if you want to make it larger. That's very easy to do, but just know that it'll probably take you more than 6 days to complete. And in these videos, we're just going up to 6 balls. We're not going beyond that. Head to your local yarn store for the yarn you'll need, and I'll be putting some participating stores in the description of this video. There are also a limited number of kits available for sale by Knitting Fever, and we'll put the link in the description of that also. You will need the 6-Day Superstar Blanket pattern, and I have made a specific pattern for using the Juniper Moon Farm Cotton Cirrus Rainbow yarn. The pattern is free on my website, bettymcknit.com. And there is an ad-free PDF in my pattern store, bettymcknitshop.com. And I will put all those links in the description so you can easily find them. The original 6-Day Superstar Blanket pattern is really adaptable to many different weights and types of yarn. And you're welcome to join this crochet along and use whatever yarn you like. But we will only be working with the Juniper Moon Farm Cirrus Rainbow in these videos. If you substitute the yarn, you'll want to check out the original 6-Day Superstar Blanket pattern and videos, which give you more ideas for different yarns, yardages, and adjustments. But whatever yarn you decide to use, you're welcome to crochet along with us with these videos and in the Crochet Along community. You will also need 2 hooks for this project. You'll need a 5mm and a 5.5mm hook. The 6-Day Superstar Blanket requires a little bit of extra care and attention in the very beginning to your tension. And you'll want to make sure in the setup rounds that your blanket is always laying completely flat so you don't end up with a bubble or a pucker in the center of your project. And you can make adjustments for that if you experience any curling in the setup rounds to increase to the 5.5mm hook. I personally did my entire blanket with a 5mm hook, and I didn't have to increase, but I suggest having the 5.5mm hook on hand in case you experience significant curling in the setup rounds. And I will talk about that more during the videos when the time comes to check for tension and let you know if what to look for changing your hook and adjusting your tension in the setup rounds. You'll also want to have some stitch markers, and you'll need some scissors and a yarn needle for weaving in your ends, Something that's nice to have is a pendle, like the Leica pendle, because we will be pulling every other ball of the Juniper Moon Cirrus from the inside and then the outside, inside and outside. So it's nice to have the pendle when you're pulling from the outside. It just makes it a lot easier to work with pulling the outside of the ball. Here's how the crochet along will work. Once you've got your yarn and your pattern, you're almost ready to get started with me on June 9th. I've set up an ad-free, distraction-free community for this event in my membership platform, the Betty McKnitiverse. Once you join, you'll be able to crochet along with your friends, ask questions, and show off your works in progress. The community will be our Crochet Along headquarters, and it's open and ready for you to join and start engaging with the other participants right now. I'll put the link for that in the description of this video. It's completely free to join, and all you have to do is set up a free Mighty Networks account, and you can access the online Crochet Along space. Next, be sure to subscribe to this channel as well as Knitting Fever's YouTube channel, and click the bells for notifications so you don't miss any of the new tutorials that I'll be posting that will guide you through all 6 days of the Crochet Along. You can also catch me live here and on TikTok during the event, and you can ask any questions you have about the pattern and chat with me about how things are going. All those details are on the Crochet Along website. I'll also put them in the description of this video. Here are some tips and tricks for getting started with the 6-day Superstar blanket. First of all, this pattern is easy, but it is not beginner and it is not beginner friendly. If this is your first crochet project, stop here and learn some basics before you start the 6-day Superstar. You will need to know the following skills: slip knot, chain, single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet, and extended double crochet. You'll need to know how to do a slip stitch, how to work in the round, and you also need to know how to assess your work and adjust for tension in the setup rounds. And I'll show you what I mean when we get to those parts. You'll need to know how to work into the tops of stitches and how to work into spaces. And you'll need to follow the pattern and count. This pattern and these videos assume that you already know how to do all of those things, and I don't teach you how to do those stitches in the pattern or the videos. Be patient with yourself. Take your time. I'm here to help. There's a learning curve to this pattern, and it makes more sense as you go along, and it's just a little more difficult than the 6-day star. If you've already done the 6-day star blanket, you're ready for this project. So I want to talk about these setup rounds and repeating rounds. And this pattern is written a little unconventionally, and that's because it's part of a larger group of patterns known as 6-day crochet. Every 6-day crochet pattern has repeating rounds of double crochet, single crochet, and clusters, and I always number them 2 through 7. If this is your first experience with 6-day crochet, it's probably going to seem a little strange, but it will make more sense once you get going. The first 11 rounds are referred to as setup rounds, and we only do them once. After that, there's a half repeat of 4 rounds numbered 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, you have repeating rounds numbered 2 through 7, and you'll do those a total of 6 times. And the project ends with a 1 round border. This probably sounds like a lot right now, but follow along in the pattern and you'll be guided from beginning to end. I'll be releasing new tutorial videos on each day of the crochet along, and the video tutorials are not standalone. They do not teach the pattern by themselves, and they do not replace the pattern. You will need the pattern. The video does not take the place of the pattern. It's just to help you with the pattern. The videos will start the setup rounds. I go stitch by stitch, so you'll have a lot more guidance. They'll be slower in the beginning. And then for the repeating rounds, I'll give you some more detail. And after that, You really won't need as much help. I'll just be guiding you through what you need to complete each day for each of the 6 days. Once upon a time, I made a toddler blanket using chunky yarn, and it just happened to take me 6 days to make. That toddler blanket inspired the 6 Day Star Blanket, which uses the same sequence of single crochet, double crochet, and clusters. And every pattern that I made after that, that I used that same stitch sequence, I called 6 Day Crochet. So 6 day is really the name of the stitch. It's not always the intended timeline. That being said, this blanket can be made in 6 days, depending on your skill level and how fast you crochet and how much time each day you have to devote to crocheting. If you are a beginner, it's probably going to take you more time, more than 6 days. I'll be guiding you through the process by days, so if you keep up with each video, you should be completed in the 6 day time frame. But if you don't, it's okay. And I just want to let you know, I didn't finish mine in 6 days. If you want to challenge yourself to complete in 6 days, give yourself 3 to 4 hours per day, possibly more, every day to work on this. I am a very fast crocheter and I struggled to meet the 4-hour timeline on a couple of the days. Always take care of your hands, wrists, arms, back, neck, and shoulders. Crochet somatically and stop if you have any pain, discomfort, or numbness. No crochet project timeline is more important than your body. I've given you a suggested schedule in the pattern and through the videos. Feel free to let go of that and work at your own pace. What's important is that you enjoy the process and crochet safely without hurting yourself. At the end of each day, be sure to film your progress roll down and post your progress photos on your social channels and in the 6 Day Superstar Blanket Crochet Along community. Be sure to tag Juniper Moon Farm, Knitting Fever, Betty McKnit, and your participating local yarn store in your progress photos and videos each day. We love seeing your beautiful creations, and we will be highlighting your work with reposts and show off your amazing superstars. Huge shout out and thank you to Knitting Fever and Juniper Moon Farm for sponsoring this crochet along. Knitting Fever, Juniper Moon Farm, and I will be selecting a few lucky winners to receive some lovely prizes at the end of the crochet along. In order to be eligible for the drawings, you must sign up through the link on my website, bettymcknit.com/2026 JMF CAL hyphen 6 Day Superstar. You must use Juniper Moon Farm or another Knitting Fever yarn and the 6 Day Superstar blanket pattern for your project. You must complete at least 5 repeats of your project and submit your entry by completing the form on my website by July 1st. Be sure to follow community guidelines when commenting on this channel. If you have pattern questions or you need help with your projects, post them in the Crochet Along community, catch me on a live stream, or join one of the Zoom calls. Thanks for watching. Reach out if you have any questions, and I'll see you on day 1. The full pattern for this project with all the counts are at bettymcknit.com. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell for notifications so you don't miss any new videos. And you're always welcome to tag me in your progress photos and finished projects online. I love seeing your beautiful creations.